15 British inventions that secretly changed the whole world. Britain has always had a quiet knack for inventing things that end up touching every corner of the planet. From tiny gadgets we never think about to massive leaps that changed global communication, British creativity has quietly shaped the modern world. Many of these breakthroughs came from ordinary people working in sheds, small labs, or backroom workshops, yet their ideas ripple through everyday life. Today, we're diving into 15 British inventions that secretly changed the whole world, a lineup of world-shaping genius that deserves far more credit than it gets. 15. The electric motor, Michael Faraday, 1821. Let's start with something you probably use every single day without even noticing. Michael Faraday, a London-born scientist, created the principles behind the electric motor when he discovered electromagnetic rotation in 1821. It wasn't a polished machine at first, more like a clever experiment. But his early device became the foundation for the motors used in fans, fridges, computers, power tools, factories, and even trains. Nearly all modern movement powered by electricity traces its roots to Faraday's breakthrough. It's one of the most important British inventions in global history, quietly powering the modern world from behind the scenes. 14. The World Wide Web, Tim Berners-Lee, 1989. Not the Internet. The World Wide Web, the thing you're using right now, was created by British computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee. Working at CERN in 1989, he built the system of URLs, hyperlinks, web pages, and browsers that made the Internet usable for ordinary people. His idea wasn't about profit or fame. He just wanted researchers to share information easily. Instead, he transformed global communication, changed how we work, and reshaped entertainment, business, and connection forever. 13. The jet engine, Frank Whittle, 1930s. Every long-haul flight today owes something to Sir Frank Whittle, the British engineer who pioneered the jet engine. While early aircraft were limited by speed and power, Whittle imagined a future where planes could climb higher, move faster, and cross continents in a single stretch. His turbojet designs laid the foundation for modern aviation. Without Whittle, global travel would still feel slow and distant. His invention didn't just shrink the map. It changed economies, tourism, trade, and how cultures connect. If you've ever flown across the Atlantic in under 8 hours, you've quietly enjoyed another British invention. 12. The steam engine, improved, James Watt, 1765. James Watt didn't invent steam power, but he perfected it. His improvements, especially the separate condenser, turned the steam engine from a clunky curiosity into the machine that powered the entire industrial revolution. Factories, mines, and railways suddenly had a reliable source of power. This single breakthrough helped transform Britain into a global industrial leader and set off a wave of technological progress around the world. Nearly every modern machine owes something to Watt's work. When people talk about UK contributions to the world, this is one that literally moved nations forward. 11. The telephone, first practical version, Alexander Graham Bell, 1876. Alexander Graham Bell, born in Edinburgh, is widely credited with creating the first practical telephone, the device that made long-distance voice communication possible. Bell's passion began with studying speech and sound, influenced by his mother's hearing difficulties. His experiments eventually led to a working voice transmitting system that changed global communication. Although the telephone evolved massively afterwards, Bell's original design laid the groundwork for everything from switchboards to modern smartphones. His achievement remains one of the most famous British inventions tied to global transformation. 10. The electric light bulb, practical version, Joseph Swan, 1878. Before Thomas Edison's American design became the standard, British physicist Joseph Swan had already created a working, commercially usable incandescent bulb. Swan demonstrated his lamp publicly in 1878 and installed it in homes and public buildings across Britain. His design produced a warm, reliable glow that made electric lighting finally practical. Edison later developed his own version, leading the two inventors to eventually work together. Today, lighting has advanced far beyond the filament bulb, but Swan's work was the spark that illuminated entire cities and made nighttime productivity possible. 9. The Lawn Mower, Edwin Beard Budding, 1830. If you've ever enjoyed the look of a neatly trimmed football pitch or the smooth grass of a public park, thank Edwin Beard Budding. Working in Gloucestershire in 1830, he invented the world's first lawn mower based on machinery used to cut cloth. His creation transformed gardens, influenced the development of sports grounds, and shaped the look of neighborhoods around the world. The modern obsession with tidy lawns, especially in the UK and the US, grew from Budding's surprisingly simple yet brilliant idea. 8. The Computer, Charles Babbage's analytical engine, 18th century. Charles Babbage imagined a machine unlike anything the world had seen, a programmable mechanical computer known as the analytical engine. Though never completed in his lifetime, its design included key concepts found in modern computing: memory, processing units, and control flow. Today, Babbage is celebrated as the father of the computer. His work didn't just influence technology, it shaped the very architecture of digital life. When discussing British inventors who changed the world, Babbage always sits near the top. 7. The first programmable software. Ada Lovelace, 1843. Alongside Babbage, Ada Lovelace wrote the world's first computer algorithm in 1843. She understood before anyone else that computers could process more than numbers. They could handle symbols, language, music, and ideas. This insight predicted the full potential of modern computing. Today, she is recognized globally as the first computer programmer. Her work laid the intellectual foundations for software, coding, and the digital systems that power everything from apps to artificial intelligence. Ada's brilliance remains one of the greatest UK history facts about innovation. 6. The Automobile, Modern Design Foundations, Frederick Lanchester, 1890s. British engineer Frederick Lanchester designed and built one of the earliest petrol engine cars in the world. But he didn't stop there. He also introduced features that later became standard, such as disc brakes, fuel injection concepts, and early ideas about aerodynamics. While car manufacturing later grew into a global industry, these foundational design principles began in Britain. Lanchester's cars were ahead of their time and showed that British engineering could combine speed, safety, and style long before the automobile became mainstream. 5. Photography. William Henry Fox Talbot, 1830s. While France produced the daguerreotype, the world needed a method that could produce multiple copies from a single image. Enter William Henry Fox Talbot, a British inventor who created the negative to positive process. This allowed photography to evolve into a practical and scalable medium. Talbot's breakthrough shaped journalism, science, art, family life, and eventually digital imaging. Every printed photo, film camera, and even phone gallery carries the DNA of Talbot's system. Among British inventions that changed the world, photography stands out for touching both everyday life and global culture. 4. The Electric Vacuum Cleaner. Hubert Cecil Booth, 1901. Before Booth, cleaning large spaces was a slow, exhausting task. His invention, a powerful motorized vacuum device, was first pulled through the streets by a horse, cleaning buildings using hoses fed through windows. The idea seemed strange at first, but it worked so well that it revolutionized cleaning in homes, hotels, factories, and public buildings. Booth's creation laid the foundation for the lightweight household machines that came later. It's one of the most underrated British inventions, quietly improving hygiene and home life everywhere. 3. The ATM, John Shepherd Barron, 1967. The first cash machine in the world appeared in London thanks to John Shepherd Barron, who imagined a way for people to access money at any hour. His idea evolved into the modern ATM, a secure, automated banking system used across the globe. This invention changed how people handle money, travel, and access services. Today, the ATM remains a symbol of reliable convenience, and its origins in the UK remain a proud moment in British innovation history. 2. Stainless steel, Harry Brearley, 1913. While experimenting in Sheffield to solve problems with gun barrels, Harry Brearley discovered a metal alloy that resisted rust, stainless steel. He had no idea he had created one of the most versatile materials on Earth. Stainless steel is now used in architecture, kitchens, transportation, engineering, and thousands of everyday items. Its durability, shine, and resistance to corrosion make it essential in modern life. From bridges to cutlery, its impact is enormous. A true silent hero among UK inventions. 1. Penicillin, Alexander Fleming, 1928. Alexander Fleming's discovery of penicillin began as a simple observation in his London lab. He noticed a mold had prevented the growth of bacteria on a dish, sparking a scientific revolution. Today, penicillin is recognized as one of the most influential discoveries in scientific and historical terms. Its global impact is enormous, shaping research, scientific development, and the entire field of modern study into naturally occurring compounds. While Fleming never claimed to change the world, his insight has become one of the most important British contributions to global knowledge. From the lawnmower to the World Wide Web, Britain's inventive spirit has shaped the way the whole world lives, works, and connects. These brilliant breakthroughs remind us that innovation often begins quietly, in sheds, workshops, and curious minds, before reshaping everyday life on a global scale. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.